that you can tie on both ends like that. But yeah, this one is also a playful panty. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you some of my weirdest panty ever. So in this collection, it's all about G-strings and some pearls, you know, thongs, very sexy lingerie. So if you are interested on what I got for you, then please keep on watching. So the first panty I have here is black. As you all know, my favorite color is black, and it's always in here in my YouTube channel. So expect some more for black collections of about G-strings, thongs, all those sexy lingerie. It's gonna be more. It's not about the near future, but it's gonna be a lot in the coming days. And so far, this first panty we have is very sexy, you guys. And with all my collection, this is the very one that is striking for me. And yes, I have a memorable experience with this panty, purchasing it and also looking at it before, and it's just so striking. If you are playful, if you have some fun with your spouse, go for this one. And it's not very expensive. It is affordable, it's cheap, budget friendly. So this is very nice, you guys. The materials, the durability of the materials they're using, the hems, it's just wonderful. And also the, you know, the materials they're using, lace, it's just wonderful. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below if you're interested, so you may have an idea what to buy for your spouse or your loved ones if you want to have fun with your spouse. The next panty is also one of my favorite color for real, but not for a panty. Red is my favorite color, but for the panty, I'm staying away for red. But for this collection, I just wanna grab some few reds, and this is one of those. And yes, I have fun also choosing this panty because it's just crazy. It got a pearls in here, it's thongs, G-strings. It's just very sexy, you guys. It's just wonderful. And also it has lace. The material on this one is not as durable as the first one I have just featured, but yes, if you want to be more playful with your spouse, you want to have more excitement, or for you yourself, if you're single, yes, you can do it, guys. Whatever you want. But with this panty, yes, you can have some fun. grab it now while you have the chance. But I'm sure this is the one to stay because the design is just wonderful. The next lingerie we have, guys, is again another black. It's a G-strings, of course, again and again. And this one is different, but it has a, you know, a dash of colors here, and it's brown, leopard. So this is somewhat different because they got, you know, some bows that you can tie on both ends like that. But yeah, this one is also a playful panty. And this is for, you know, exciting panty, you guys. Because there are bows and, you know, you have to tie both ends like that. This is more like fun. And if you have if you want to have like a thrilling moment, yes, like, you know, untying the bows, this will be fun. Yeah, so yeah, these are also very affordable, shopping online at Shopee. Alright guys, so these are all the 3 lingeries that I have for you here. All women's underwear haul. Do you have fun so far looking at this stuff? I do. And so if you're looking for some more and more fun, more exciting panty for the next future or for the next upload, comment down below. Which of these 3 do you prefer? Alright guys, so this is it. This is our panty haul, sexy lingerie haul, underwear haul collection for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye!